Alright, this should be working if you guys can hear me. It's really loud here, but this is Brendan. I'm doing free hugs at Holi Festival, spreading the love, hacking the matrix, planting seeds, giving out shift buttons, doing exactly what you can do where you are. I got lots of free hug signs. I've been doing this for like over 2 hours now. If you look behind me, there's like a bunch of free hug signs out there, and people are like, oh, there's so much to say, and it's just like easier to show it. So watch, this is like magic right here. So happy Holi. So I'm just gonna like walk around a bit and see if I can get some hugs. Anybody hug? Happy Holi, dude. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. Thank you, dude. Dude, can you say hi to the Facebook Live? What? Facebook Live? Can you say hi? Hi. Yeah.
Y'all a bunch of lit people.
Thanks, guys. Awesome. Do you guys want a sign? Oh, you're awesome. You want a sign? Yeah? Okay. Take that sign. Sweet, this is what it's about. Go ahead, you keep it. I got all my free hug signs in here. Like, I've given out like 30 free hug signs. If you're watching this video, leave some 1111s. Leave like just like mad love. I love you guys so much. Share this video. Support me on Patreon, ParadigmShiftCentral.com. Let's do this. Happy Holi, dude. Sweet. I'm just gonna do this for a little bit longer, but yeah, you guys get the idea. Imagine this like times like, I don't know, like 2 hours, right? This is what I've been doing. This is what I do. And you guys help make it possible, and you can do this where you are. Simple tactics, applied effectively. Free hugs, shift buttons, spread the love. And there's an amazing story. If you can hear me okay, leave some 1111s. There was like a girl, a young girl who has her own free hug sign, who I ran into here. She saw one of my videos on the internet, came here with her own free hug sign, and then we met, and I was like, oh my God, I'm so proud of you. And it like, oh, it just like meant so much to me. And I gave her a free hug sign, and it was beautiful. Watch, you're Soham. Yo, Soham. Yeah, happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Oh, dude. Yes, we are live. Message for the people out there. Spread the love.
The universe is color, and it's love.
The universe is color and love. Yes. Awesome. Remember, empowerment is a choice. Empowerment through love. Empowerment through action. Empowerment through wisdom and remembrance and faith. Faith in that everything is happening for you. Know that. So just like dance, celebrate the party before it even begins. But life is a party, and it already is here. I'm just gonna do this for like a couple more minutes, but yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Check out my YouTube channel, youtube.com/SkullBabylon. I like made like a full video of this last year. This year, I'm just more focused on like being here, but hey, I wanted to bring you guys along because it means a lot for me to bring you here with me. So this is like a quick way to be able to do it, and yeah, this is it. You get the message. So imagine this just like times infinity. So. Holi, dude. Thanks, man. Sweet. Awesome. Alright, okay, just like 2 more hugs and then we'll wrap up this video. But yeah, much love, guys. I want to find some more people with the free hug signs. There, okay, there's some people with free hug signs. Look, I gave them to them earlier. Thanks, on, guys. Yay! Thank you so much.
Honestly,
Awesome.
like, I was watching your video.
You see my video? Like, we're alive right now.
I was showing him.
Seriously?
He was like wondering about the free hug sign.
And now you're here. And now we're here. Can I give you a button?
Yes.
Choose a button. You guys know how this works.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, go ahead. You can pop it.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's awesome. And there's a drum circle happening at 4 p.m. over there, so the party continues. So awesome. Thank you guys. Sweet. Oh, feels good to be alive, brother. Feels good to be alive. Feels good to be alive. Awesome.
This is like such a celebration of spring.
Such a celebration of life every day. So, whew, breathe it in. Sweet. Ah. All right. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Dude. Happy Holi, dude. Happy Holi. Yeah, it's live. Yeah. Cool, man. Sweet. Thanks, man. All right. Yeah. One love. Happy Holi. All right. There we go, guys. I'm gonna turn this off, but you get the idea. Thank you so much for watching. Again, help support me on Patreon if you like what I do, and help share this with more people. Here, what? Oh, sweet. Okay, there's like a little baby with a free hug sign. I have to film this. Sweet. Excuse me. Whose child is this? Can I? I'm filming a Facebook Live. Can I like? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Sweet. Yes. Yes.
Can I get?
Ready? Okay. So ready?
Go for it.
1, 2,
Oh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9.
I've got the 5 ready.
All right. 4, 3.
2, 1.
Oh man, look at this little kid. Look at this little kid, he's just rocking in the hugs. Look at it. Look at this little kid. Look at it. This is the magic right here. Somebody make this viral. Share this, please. So cute. So cute. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, too cute. Too cute. Awesome. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yeah, good job, buddy. Did you guys want to sign? So cute. I know, it's so cute. You should be very proud. All right, okay. Connections. Thank you, dude. Thank you. All right. Happy Holi. All right. That's amazing. This is amazing. Okay. Yeah, this is amazing. I'm gonna wrap up this video though, but yeah, this is like so perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with your friends. Let them know what we were doing. Let them know that this is a team effort. Our inspiration is shared inspiration of the heart. This is consciousness awakening. This is a dream awakening to itself. Keep spreading the love. All the power you have is already inside of you. Get your own free hug sign. Get shift buttons if you want. Support me on Patreon. Check out more at ParadigmShiftCentral.com. Subscribe at youtube.com/SkullBabylon. What's that? Yeah, go ahead. Do you want it? Taylor. You guys say hi to me. Thanks, guys. Oh boy. All right, okay. Finishing up this video, guys. Much love. Thank you so much. Skull Babylon, aka Wolf Shield. Until next time, share this video. Let's make it go viral. I love you. Keep it shifty, and I'll see you in the future.